Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express. Bharatiya Janata Party's master strategist and Rajya Sabha member from Gujarat, Amit Shah is credited for turning the Saffron Party into a formidable force with his organizational skills and micro-level planning.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए का मतलब है डेवलपमेंट.
The BJP under him is in power in 16 states, up from 7 states in 2014, pulling off emphatic wins in states like Uttar Pradesh in 2017 and Tripura in 2018. In the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections 2019, Shah has managed to seal pacts with disgruntled allies like the Shiv Sena and SAD and strike pacts with regional satraps like the AIADMK in Tamil Nadu. However, his remark that the Rs 15 lakh cash transfer promise was merely a jumla gave the opposition a chance to attack the Modi government.
किसी के अकाउंट में 15 लाख रुपया कभी नहीं जाता, वो उनको भी मालूम है और आपको भी मालूम है और देश की जनता को भी मालूम है. ये भाषण देने का एक तरीका है, एक जुमला है. जो भी काला धन आएगा उसका उपयोग गरीब उपयोगी योजनाओं के लिए होगा, ये कहने का तात्पर्य है.
Born to a wealthy Banya family in Mumbai, Amit Shah joined the RSS at the age of 14. He met Narendra Modi for the first time in 1982 and became the secretary of the RSS student body, ABVP, that year. He joined the BJP in 1986 and gradually rose through the ranks. In 1995, Shah was elected for the first time as MLA from Sarkhej Assembly constituency in Gujarat. He was re-elected from the same constituency in 1998 and 2002 and given multiple ministerial portfolios during Modi's tenure as Chief Minister. Amit Shah's political career soared after he was made UP in charge ahead of the 2014 Lok Sabha elections.
राहुल बाबा, अपना स्टैंड क्लियर करो. आप उस स्थान पर मंदिर को चाहते हो या नहीं चाहते हो, मैं डंके की चोट पर कहता हूं कि उसी जगह पर भव्य राम मंदिर बनना है.
Under him, BJP won 73 out of the 80 parliamentary seats, and in July 2014, he was appointed BJP's national president, replacing Rajnath Singh. His social engineering prowess came to the fore once again when the party won the UP Assembly elections after a gap of 50 years.
ये 23 लोग जो ब्रिगेड ग्राउंड पर बैठे थे, उसमें 9 तो प्रधानमंत्री बनने वाले थे. एक ही मंच पर 9 प्रधानमंत्री बैठे थे. लाइन लगी है, लाइन. हमारे यहाँ एक ही नेतृत्व है, पूरा एनडीए नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चट्टान की तरह खड़ा हुआ.
In 2010, Amit Shah was accused of having orchestrated the extrajudicial killings of Sohrabuddin Sheikh, his wife Kausar B, and Sheikh's aide Tulsiram Prajapati. He was later given a clean sheet in the case by the CBI. BJP claims the party's primary membership under him touched 100 million in 2016. He is also credited for the party forming government in all northeastern states, either directly or in alliance, except for Sikkim. He knows his cricket history. At a meeting with the BJP General Secretaries, he once spoke about it for over 2 hours.